The Europe is, in my view, a pretty unique group of people across all organizations and interest groups that have one common goal: to bring medicines to the market earlier and to the patients. That is, I think, nothing that you find anywhere else in Europe.
DIA Europe, which is going to take place in Vienna in 2019, is a unique opportunity for stakeholders to come from across the world, to come and hear about how Europe is approaching some of the most important issues of the day for regulatory science, for patients, and for how healthcare is going to develop, not only here in Europe, but clearly what contributions we have to make to the broader global debates.
This is the place to network. You talk with so many people, from regulators to payers to patient representatives to industry professionals, and you really try to understand different perspectives. So that's one of the key things. A second reason for me, which is almost the most important one, is really learning something new. I'm a regulatory professional myself, but we have so many professionals come to the IA talking about different problems. I talk about real-world evidence, we talk about access, all these discussions. Even though I'm aware of some, I'm never up to date on what's going on that side of the stakeholder spectrum. So it's really a great place to learn, get up-to-date knowledge, and also go back to my work and be able to carry the way I do my work in a more informed way.
DIA Europe 2019, I'm very glad that DIA is again back to my hometown in Vienna. It is now for me personally the third time I am in the steering committee, and I have to say this time we have really a very interesting program for all parts of the pharmaceutical family.
DIA Europe is pretty much the premier conference in Europe to discuss regulatory science. So it's a European conference, but it often has a global scope, and it's where all of the cutting-edge discussions are happening around evolution in terms of legislation, evolution in terms of science, evolution in terms of how we're engaging with patients and with different stakeholders.